Welcome to Powerops Desktop. Do you want to make your Power BI reports faster and more efficient? In this video, I'll show you how to use the best practices feature in Powerops Desktop to optimize your reports and data models like a pro. Let's dive in. First, let's navigate to the best practices section. In Powerops Desktop, this is your control center for report optimization. Now let's explore what this section offers. Powerops runs a deep analysis of your report and data model, checking them against best practice rules. You will get insights into areas that may be slowing down performance or impacting usability. Here, you will find different categories designed to improve your Power BI reports. The Overview tab. Get a high-level summary of your report's optimization status. Report. Improve report structure and visual performance. Under Formatting, ensure consistency in formatting across widgets. Under Performance tab, optimize data models, relationships, and calculations. Under Maintenance, keep your Power BI model clean and efficient. Under DAX expressions, you can improve efficiency and readability of your DAX formulas. Under naming conventions, you can standardize tables and column names for better collaboration. Under Error Prevention, catch and fix common modeling mistakes. Need to adjust the rules? You can fine-tune existing best practices or even create new ones to align with your business needs. This means you can tailor optimizations specifically for your reports. If some best practice rules are no longer relevant, you can remove them to keep your optimization process clean and efficient. With these functions, you have complete control over how your reports are optimized. And that's how you can use the best practices feature in Powerops Desktop to optimize your Power BI reports. Want to take your Power BI optimization to the next level? Download Powerops Desktop today and start improving your reports instantly.